Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sleep focus on your iPhone. Now, if you see at the top left of your iPhone, next to the clock is a little bed. That is the sleep focus. If it randomly turns on and you want to turn it off, let's swipe down from the top right and you can see sleep here. If I tap on it, you can see I can tap on it to turn off sleep mode. Essentially, if it's just grayed, then it is disabled. If it is selected, it's enabled. Now you can also just go to a different focus mode if you wanted to as well, or just turn it off. Now, let's go through the process of completely turning that off so it doesn't automatically turn on. To do that, we need to go over and enter into your settings. Within the settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to focus and tap on that, and then tap on sleep. Now, this is one of the things that will turn on automatically depending on how your health app is set up. So let's hit next schedule, and on here you can turn this off so that it doesn't automatically schedule the health app to turn on sleep mode. Or you can just tap on delete focus and then hit delete. And just like that, you will no longer have that focus mode on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.